Okay, it's Sunday and we're at Montmorency Falls, which looks absolutely beautiful. What are we about to do, darling?
Well, there's a zip line that goes across the falls. Of course, someone, a little adrenaline junkie, would like to give it a go.
Why not? We only live once, and it can't be that far down. I've seen people go over Niagara Falls in a barrel, and this place is only 30 metres higher than Niagara Falls, but it looks great. Here we go, darling.
We're in Australia.
Sydney. Action Central, here we are. Action Central. This is the last place I'll be seen at. It's not that scary, is it? No.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Pre-zipline already.
Look at that. Look at the gear. Is she gonna kill it? Oh, what's that? What is that there? That's a wrench to hit any other. Look at this. Beautiful.
What a great spot.
That's a lovely spot. And this is the zip line. Oh, just got a glimpse of somebody going through. The attendants aren't here, so we can't go up yet. Here we go. Here's the attendant. You go first. Honey, you go first.
I'm doing very well, thank you.
Yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good. So, it's pretty straightforward, you'll see. Just a couple things you need to know. So, here's your two handle. It's going to be important to keep both hands on it during the whole zip line. So the position is going to be like this.
Yep.
You'll be sitting in the arch. After the waterfall, it's going to be important to lean back as much as you can. Because at the landing station, if you're too close to the buoy, you're going to bump your head.
Okay, so.
Lean back as much as you can. Yeah. You can put both hands on the middle. Here. Yeah, pull it down. Thank you very much. So, you can sit in the hardest. That's the position. The waterfall. Right. Right. There we go.
Oh my goodness.
You can come closer to the gray line. And 3, 2, 1. You can just sit in the harness first. Yeah, and when you're ready, raise your legs. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, darling.
Hi.
Tell me, hi. Tell me how you went.
Oh, it was fantastic. It was exhilarating and it's such a beautiful view. I mean, the waterfall is fantastic and you're up so high. It's just, yeah, it was great. How did you find it?
Oh, I found it fantastic. This is what we just did. We just did a zip line across this waterfall here. Absolutely sensational. And the best part, we'll just look over here. The best part is the guy said, oh, you can't use your GoPro. And I thought, oh no. He said, online, you can get the whole video for free. Yeah. So here's the video that they provide, the Zipline company, compared to the one I just showed you, which was the one I did with the GoPro. Check this out, the lady's not strong enough to get my legs onto the platform. Okay, we just completed the zip line at the falls. What's the name of the falls, darling?
Montmorency.
Montmorency Falls in Quebec, and it was really exciting. You zip across and the waterfalls are just near. What did you think of it, darling?
I thought it was fantastic. It was really close to the falls, really spectacular, really fast zip line, very exciting. What did you think?
Yeah, that's the point. It was fast. We've been on full zip lines all over the world, and you know, halfway through on board. But that was the first one ever that I did that classic woo. So that's a big zip. Loved it. A must do in Quebec. Yeah.
Yes.
So if you like this video, what do you do, darling?
Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, we'll see you in the next one.
And that there, what's that?
Pelican,
A pelican. It's so beautiful.